Hey my YouTube viewers, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, I am going to show you how to lock and unlock your Facebook profile. So without any further delay, let's get started. Look at this is my Facebook profile. Suppose right now I want to lock this profile. For that reason, you have to go this link mobile.facebook.com/help. I will give the link in description so you can check it from there. Alright, after going this link, you have to search lock profile. After searching, you will get this option. Please follow. How to lock profiles work on Facebook. Just click here. Moreover, see, then you will get this option. How do I lock my profile? Just click here. At the time, click tap here. Afterwards, you will get this types of interface like this. Finally, you have to click lock your profile. I am clicking here. Please follow right now. You locked your profile. So guys, I hope in this way you can easily lock your Facebook profile. And finally, I want to mention that in the same process, you can unlock your Facebook profile. Okay, I am showing you. You just follow the process. Just go this link like before, then search again lock profile and choose this one. Now please follow. This is our lock profile option and it's our unlock profile option. We already worked this option. Now I will work this option. That's why I click here, then choose tab here. After that you will get these types of interface. Look at. Now you have to click see more option. Then please follow carefully. This is our option, unlock your profile. When you will click the option, that time your profile will be unlocked. Actually right now I don't want to unlock, for that I won't click here. So my dear viewers, I hope in this process you can simply lock and unlock your Facebook profile. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you in the next lecture. So stay connected for your best result.